friends. So this is the cockpit of an Airbus A320-200. So let's see its operating procedure. As we see, the instruments are not showing up. This is because there is nothing to power it yet. So let's on the GPU. See? Now on the navigation beacon, and if there is passengers on board, there are no smoking lights. As our plane will push back soon on the APU, so the flight powers itself without the GPU. Then off the GPU. Oh, let's take a look outside. The weather is calm and there is no obstacles. Oh, the passenger boarding bridge is getting relocated. Wait. Now, as everything is clear, it's time to push back. Make sure to on engine 2 while we push back. Now align with the planned taxiway. Okay, that didn't align. Oh. Then on engine 1 anyway. And finally the landing lights. So this is the pushback procedure, friends. See you when we taxi.